Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $23,090, 24-hour volume, we're up 15%, and market cap, we're up 0.30%. So heading over to our chart here, I've got it on a daily chart, and what we're seeing is an area of support where the price is currently at. We can see the price coming down closer to our 20 moving average, and moving averages are used as support and resistance lines, but we are going to be observing this at an area of support. We can see the trend line at the very bottom here, and ultimately again we are surpassing yesterday's current candlestick. So even though today is not done yet, we can observe here that the bulls are present in the marketplace. We can see that by matching more than 50% of the previous candlestick in the red here. Most importantly, what we can see with the upper band and the lower band of our Bollinger Bands is that they are closing in here. We can almost predict that they're pinching in, ready for another breakout. And if we're able to, again, close above the 20 moving average in multiple candlesticks within this squeeze of our Bollinger Band, then it is giving us confirmation that the uptrend itself is going to be breaking out in the uptrend and coming up closer to this area of resistance. Now, if we take a look at a few factors that's going to help us is essentially our RSI at the very bottom here. Now the RSI, it's considered as oversold. So we can see that our K line is at the very bottom here at 0%, crossed over at an uptrend from our D line itself, which is this orange line, which triggers that buying opportunity. Now we can see on the right hand side, the MACD indicator is still heavy in the red momentum, and our KDJ indicator is still in the red. However, we see the K line kind of dip and is angled in an uptrend that still gives us some optimistic that the price is going to come up. Now, if we're taking a look at supply and demand, we can see that the volume itself is slowly picking up. We see it's very, very consistent with it. So it's basically coming down. However, this being considered as oversold may give us a lead that the price is going to come up. Now, if we take again a look at our supply and demand using our volume profile fixed range, we can see that the price itself has this good cluster here, ultimately at the very, very bottom where we saw the price come down today. And ultimately here is another cluster of these two nodes down here. So if we're taking a look at our supply and demand, there is a lot of supply that is being shown here in the last couple of days as the price and the overselling or the sellers in the marketplace is giving off that demand. We're considered as oversold right now, which does give us some leeway to continue to come up and hopefully again break above the 78% of our fib, which is 23,100. So what we're looking for today is basically having a candlestick body. As we can see, the body right here is just slightly below 78%. If we're able to maximize and extend it above the 78% of our fib, then it's going to be confirmation that we are going to be bullish for tomorrow. Quickly taking a look at our 4-hour time frame, going into the 4-hour time frame, we can see a small little node here of our MACD indicator at 6% so far in the 4-hour time frame. As we can see with the price here, there was a spinning top candlestick with an engulfing candlestick here, shows us that correction of the marketplace, but we can see that it's slowly coming down with an increase of our volume. We noticed that as the price was coming down and correcting for Bitcoin, we can see it was at the very bottom of our Bollinger Band here, considered to be as overbought with the oversold with the RSI, and has triggered that buying opportunity here. So we are looking for multiple closures in a shorter time frame above our 20 moving average, and you can see that here as treated as an area of resistance at this primal point and continuously on this 4-hour time frame. So if we are seeing a break above the 4-hour time frame, that's only going to mean an extension of the body on our daily time frame in hopes to hit our goal to see a bullish day for tomorrow. So that's my quick update here for Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.